This is Pranav Gua Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Mr. Saran, the famous Mr. Vivek Saran from Ignify Solutions Private Limited, Hyderabad. They give wonderful solutions for schools and universities for admissions and placements. I would like to request Mr. Saran to tell about the services, how the schools and universities can benefit by them. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Pranav, and thank you for inviting me. I'm sure Radio TV is doing a wonderful job, and really, the best part is that you're educating schools, colleges, and the education fraternity with the services and the people around who are benefiting and also helping the college and schools. So, yes, Ignify Solutions is the company name that I have founded, and this is after 20 years of working in the same field of
Okay.
education, and definitely the reason for coming up with this solution has come up from the field itself, because while I have interacted with thousands of principals and of schools and colleges, I always felt admissions was a big challenge that they always faced. And be it a big school, be it a small school, be it a mid-segment school, the problem always lied with two things, that was expertise and process. And for international schools, bigger schools, this was easier because they had a very clear mindset that while they started the concept of the school, they would have first build a marketing team and set up everything right from day one. But I think the smaller schools or the mid-segment schools or the smaller college or the mid-segment college, for them to establish and to get the expertise, to know the right process, is a big challenge, because the decision sometimes, or rather the involvement of people who are not from this field, there is where the challenge comes. And then we said, okay, let us form and get up a proper solution which can really help colleges, help schools to build up their own channels for admissions, and not just rather believe on just be depending on the admission agents or the other channels which they have not tested, audited. So we designed this solution after a lot of research and testing across the country, and we also have done a lot of good work globally also with some schools and colleges. Then the solution came where we have a very organic process of uh, doing an audit of the problem of your admissions. When we audit, this is about 350 checkpoints of audit that we do for
Okay.
anything which is related to admissions. So whatever comes into admission, right from basic website to SEO to marketing to branding to lead generation to conversions to your collaterals to your infrastructure to your team to your readiness to your marketing to your parent connect to your satisfaction, all of that in totality helps you to get that admission. And we always say that if you are not marketing well for your own institution, you are actually marketing it for other institution free of cost.
Correct.
So it's very important that you do a very strong marketing for your own self and for your institution. And what you may need is expertise and process, and that is what we bring. So once we audit, we also understand your competition. We also understand where is that your USPs are not working out. So we bring all of that, build up your right processes, build up the right channels, exploit everything for you, build up and then hand it over to you, train your team, set up the monitoring process, and then hand it over. So that's a very organic process of, right from an audit to analysis to SOP designing to training and to monitoring. So that is how we have designed, and we are helping colleges, schools across the country for it. And I'm sure this will bring a big change among the schools where they were not able to really exploit their own strength which they had. Like for example, if you see your own parents, your students, they are the best people who can market for your school or
Right,
for your
sir.
college. Unfortunately, a small example I'll tell you, you would see a very basic thing that even the schools don't even record the all communication that they send from the school is generally is focused to send it to the father, not the mother. I'm just giving a very simple
Right.
example and learning that I can share, as basic tip that I can share actually. Now, when if you have 500 student in your school or a college, we say you have 1500 people in your college or school to market you about you. 1500 means 500 father, 500 mother, 500 student. Now you're only marketing or only pushing your informations to the father. You're losing on to the mother, and
Correct.
mother are the biggest source of, I would say, branding and marketing
Advertising
advertisement for you, because they are always talking about the
kids.
about their child, about their progress, about their institution among the society, which is where we are we can do a great we can bring a lot of great leads to the campuses. So that is what we see, that we see every minute to minute thing when we do the audit, and we find out where is the problem. And that is what we have been doing all these years now. So we have been able to crack some good projects across the country, bigger international schools, smaller schools, and whoever needs a process, and whoever needs expertise, we are there for them.